Alright guys, let me walk you guys through on this particular setup I saw on BTC. Okay, so this was when I firstly marked out my zones because BTC was in an uptrend, and we can see that the internal structures has more like a downtrend. Okay, so now we have to flow with the internal structure to take the sales to the point of demand where we are going to continue the bullish pattern to the upside. So what I did there was that this was basically on the 1 hour time frame. Why did I know that if price gets to this point, it might start to react? Because why? It is an hidden zone. See what price did? Price made a low, a high, a low. This is a change of character. So this zone is a value supply zone, and this is also a high. Most people will take this as the high. They are correct, but most people take this as a supply. Yes, they are correct, but there is an inefficiency resting below this. So this is the last buying to selling candle. Okay, so that was why I know that price is going to react, and it also has what inefficiency. So that was why I know that once price gets here, it's definitely going to sell. But guess what? This particular setup was activated on Christmas Day, but I didn't take this particular setup because I was on break then. So I said, but on 1 hour price created an internal structure, and price hasn't reacted from the strong supply level. There are two supply zones to sell from, which has created a chalk, which has an inducement, and the second has the liquidity resting above the POI and the doji candlestick with inefficiency sitting. Okay, so confirmation entry was 5 minutes, but that does not need confirmation entry. It's just a plain chart to go in with aggressive entry. But let me show you guys how it was later activated. Okay, this was it. This was when price was coming to the point of interest. I was still monitoring it. I was looking at it. Okay, when price was coming to the point of interest, that price just touched it to this candle, and ever since then, price just broke, and price has been reacting to the downside. Okay, so let's keep going. So price broke that low, and what price starts to push it to the downside. Okay, did not give an entry confirmation because I was expecting the price to mitigate, break this low before I will start selling from this. I was expecting price to come back and sell, but price did not come back eventually, so I left that trade to run because I didn't want to go in aggressively because it was on Christmas Day holiday period. Okay, this particular setup I wanted to show you guys. I deleted this on my phone because I use my phone to send it. So how do I know that price how do I know that once price gets to this point, right? Price will start selling. How do I know that price will start selling once price gets to this point? Now, we can see that ever since price has breaking that structure and price has mitigated the 50% to 61% level of the demand zone. And what do we see price do? Price has created a very strong support key level, okay? And now what do we see price do? Price has been breaking structure. This is a change of character, right? This is the low, this is the low, this is the high. So price failed to break this low, giving us a change of character at this point. So if price comes here, we should be buying. So price came here, created a strong support key level. And what do we see? Price is now creating more like liquidity at this point. And now we can see that we have equal highs. We have liquidity sweep, we have a change of character, we have a fair value. So I was anticipating that if price comes back into this range, we definitely take profits at the beginning of this liquidity build up. So I was expecting price to come here and come to this liquidity build up. But guess what, guys? Price played so very dirty. I was literally buying inside of the liquidity point, blah 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 blah. But anyways, let me show you guys. Okay, this was when I was making profit on BTC. Okay, so this was the results. Okay, so this was that was I showed you guys before, and now I'm going to show you guys after. So what do we see here? Price came here, mitigated these points, right? After this strong level. But guess what? After price mitigated this strong support level, it gave us another demand zone. And BTC respects every every zones. Okay, so price came here, giving a change of character. And if you notice that I said if price comes here, I'm looking for sell. Price came and gave me that sell. But guess what? I was able to like up out of this trade before it starts going against me. Okay, I only just use one position, so I will explain on how I was able to like secure my profit and not lose on this particular setup. So I said okay, sales position, okay, sales position, okay, sales position, okay, which I showed you guys. This were the three sales position. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Those were the three sales position. So I said press it again. I opened three sales position and single position has covered up the remaining two positions because I took partial profit by closing one position. So my capital is protected. As a trader, your capital should be the priority, not profit. Exactly. That was literally what I was after. That was why I opened three positions. Okay. So I opened three positions and I noticed that price was moving in my direction. And I noticed that price mitigated that price mitigated this zone and price is starting to push back very aggressively. So what I did was just that I had to take partial profit and allow the remaining two positions to run. because and I know that price is definitely still going to come to that level below there. Okay, I also made a video when I said price is likely going to come. Okay, now this was it. So since price has given me this low and price has more like taking me out when I woke up, I know that price has taken me out. I was not like, okay, it seems price is going to change direction to the opposite side. The reason why I'm saying price is going to change its direction to the opposite side on the daily time frame, I have the reason why I wanted to change my bias to take it towards to the 50% level of the sell structure. Okay, the reason why I have to like say let me switch and start buying is because the daily time frame was a doji candlestick after a bearish, a full body closed candlestick of a bearish candle. Then the next one was a bullish doji candlestick. So that was why. So a doji candlestick simply indicates that there is an indecision in the market. Okay, so that was why I was like, okay, since price has failed to sweep that low, let's see if you can take the buy to the 50% level before price is going to come back and sweep that low. So what do I get? So price has to what create me a trap. So this was literally a trap. I felt for this trap. Okay, the reason I wanted to buy at this point was, and if you see, when price made the low, I gave a break of structure, right? So price made the high, came back, sweeping this low, tapping into this zone, right? Which is a liquidity sweep because price swept this low and reacted to break this structure. So what did I see? I see a liquidity resting here. So price came here, even building up trendline liquidity. After building up trendline liquidity, I have another confluence to go, which is the inefficiency below here and a very valid zone to buy from. So I was anticipating that the price comes down here, we start buying to the upside towards to the 50% level of the structure before price make the actual move to the downside. Okay, so I literally just deleted that thing. But anyways, let's see. So look at after price stopped me out. Okay, so this was when I was trying to buy. This was when I was just trying to buy. So after price stopped me out, my initial direction that I was anticipating that price should come and take out this low. Now price is now giving me that actual move. Okay, and now what can I see here? I was able to identify this as a liquidity resting above and liquidity resting below. Okay, so I was literally buying inside of a liquidity zone. All right. So okay, this was when I said I learned my mistake. Do ever try to buy pullback, but I don't think that video was this thing. So I said I'll be waiting for New York section to open. But guess what? My pace is slowed. My pace is slowed so fucking low. So this was when price I was like literally um yeah. So this was when price now finally came to my direction. After price has stopped me out with just 2 pips. Just 2 pips. Price stopped me out then finally moved to my direction. And I was also trying to buy from here. The reason why I was trying to buy was because price has stopped me out. That was why I was now anticipating that price is likely going to come to this 50 to 61% level. Okay, from this high to this low. Where is that level that price likely gets to? You might start selling. This is the low. This is the point. This range I identified. So I was expecting to take price to the upside here before we start seeing that massive drop. Okay, so I said this is a trap that I'm not going to buy from here. If I'm trying to buy from here, I should be looking for a confirmation entry. But I'll not be taking here aggressive because I have liquidity resting below this point. This is not a clean push to the upside. Okay, so anyways, let's keep going down, going down, going down. Okay. So I made some a little kind of cute videos. Okay, this was when I was saying forex is going to blah 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 break you down blah blah blah.
See, but when you're trading forex, you are trading
Exactly. So I don't know if this is
forex.
okay. I think I can zoom this. Okay, look at after price has stopped me out. Okay, but I said I was literally going to hold this position. After price stopped me out. After price stopped me out, price moved to my direction, taking out this low. After taking out this low, now we are seeing that price is now pulling back. So you know that I was trying to buy from here. I was trying to buy from this point to the upside to this point. But guess what? Price which also stopped me out from here, and now price is now back.
Emotionally, forex is not a game of joke.
So that was just more like a more like trap, but I was knowing where the direction would likely go to. But I know I was
Yeah, forex.
I was very
Yeah,
I was very patient. Like I was literally waiting for the setup for 2 days, and literally I later had more like stuff, blah blah blah, and all this kind of stuff. So this was when I was after price had stopped me out, and I was trying to buy from here. Okay, this was a very liquidity sweep. This was a zone I was trying to buy from, and I was like my demand zone was here, but guess what? Price stopped me out. After price stopped me out, price came here, came back to respect that same zone, and after price, look at the way price just moved like crazily to the upside. Guess what? Price was moving up to that exactly 50 to 61%
forex.
level that I marked out, guys. I'm going to show you. I didn't take the screenshot of that. So this one, let me just show you guys. I'll come back to that. So I said if you are trying to buy from here, because this is a supplies this is a demand zone because we had a break here. If you are trying to buy from here, it is a what? Is a trap. Okay, so I was literally going to buy from here, but anyways, price has mitigated this and blah blah blah. I'll be waiting for price to take out this high before I'll start looking for buys. Okay, because the internal structure is putting sales, so I don't want to like go against the trend. Um, okay, let me take you guys to my chart. Let me explain where price literally got to before start pulling down because we already know that eventually they get you stopped out before they move to the direction, blah 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 blah. But anyways, let me edit my chart real quick so I'm able to explain to you guys where I know price is going to come to before price is going to start pushing to the downside. But anyways, I had to exit that trade. I didn't want to take that trade because I have taken 2 losses in the morning. So that was why I had to like, nah, I don't want to go against my strategy. I don't want to go against my rules, blah blah blah. And besides, it was Friday. I didn't know that it was even Friday. I've been patient enough for a week, and I was seeing opportunity on Friday. That was why I said let me go in. All right, let me show you guys BTC.